everyone, my name is Kitty and welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to show you a special video inspired by Douyin, which is a popular makeup trend. Get ready to learn how to create this stunning makeup look in just a matter of minutes. Let's get started. Before we begin, I want to emphasize that this makeup look is inspired by the creativity and style seen on Douyin. So let's just dive into the steps. To achieve a flawless base, start by cleansing your face and applying a hydrating moisturizer. Allow it to absorb into your skin before moving on to the next step. So I've already cleansed my face with a cleanser and I already applied some moisturizer, so I'll just directly move on to sunscreen. I'm using the Lotus Herbals Anti-Tan Sunscreen. I'm taking a dollop of it and going to apply a generous amount on my face and neck as well to protect my skin from any UVA and UVB sun rays. Next up is concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair 15. Apply the concealer to any areas that need extra coverage like dark circles or blemishes. I'm applying it on my under eyes, eyelids, and those blemishes marks that are slightly visible. Blend it out using a beauty blender. So instead of using foundation, I'll use a serum cream instead, and I'm using the Pond's Bright Beauty Cream, and it's about to get over as I've been using it daily. Anyway, apply it evenly all over your face and neck. Blend it well using your fingers for a seamless finish. Well-defined eyebrows are a crucial part of this look. Use an eyebrow pencil or powder to shape and fill in your brows. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Genius Kit in the shade medium to dark and some setting spray on the spoolie to set the eyebrows in shape. Now I'm using the medium shade to fill in the areas of my eyebrows. Remember to blend it out for a natural appearance. Now let's focus on the eyes. Start by applying a light matte eyeshadow shade all over the eyelid as a base. Then choose a slightly darker shade and blend it into the crease for that. Also, I'm applying it on my under eyelids as well. Now I'm using this white shade on the inner lid and middle of the lid. Now let's add a shimmery shade to the center of the crease for a pop of sparkle and also on the inner corners of our eyes. Now I'm using the light pink glittery shade on my under eyelids as well. For that classic Chinese makeup look, create a winged eyeliner using a liquid or gel eyeliner. I'm using a liquid eyeliner and I'm using the Lakme Insta eyeliner. Extend the line slightly beyond your natural lash line for an elongated effect. So I'm going to leave my eyeliner to dry first, so let's move on to blush. And I'm gonna mix it up by using my eyeshadow palette for my blush. And I'll choose this shade for it. I love blush, so I'll be applying it all over for this look. That is on my cheeks, my jawlines, my nose, and on my temples, as you can see.
I can feel this point if you want it. 내가 너무 들어가진 않을 테니 가슴이 젖지.
Now I'm going to use highlighter and I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder on my nose. I'll be applying it on the upper middle area of my nose and on the tip of my nose, using my fingertips to blend in. Also, I'll apply it under my eye areas as the makeup look appears to be super glowy, so I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna apply it on my upper lip as well, on the lower area of my nose and below my lip. It looks kind of weird, but just trust the process, guys. Now I'm going to set the look using some compact, and I'm using the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder on the areas where I didn't apply any highlighter or blush, just to get that matte effect on those areas. Now let's finish our eyes by using a few coats of mascara to enhance our lashes. For this look, I'm going for 3 light coats of mascara. I'll apply the first coat, let it dry for a while, then I'll move on to the second coat and the third coat of mascara.
전부 slow down I can feel this burn if you want it 내가 너무 돌아가지 않을 테니 가슴이 좁혀지 이곳에
Now I'm just reapplying the highlighter on certain areas for a glowier look. Lastly, let's just finish the look with some lip gloss and lip balm. I'm using the Ronzo lip gloss in the shade Transparent White. Now I'm going to use the Lip Love lip balm in the shade Raspberry on the inner portions of my lips for that radiant effect, and I'll use my fingertips to blend it. And voila! We've completed the Douyin-inspired makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Remember, makeup is all about self-expression, so feel free to experiment and make it your own. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye-bye!